It's Carnation Crafts, and I'm going to show you where to place your magnets on your magic fireplace so that Chris can come down the chimney. Okay then, so here's my card base, and on top of that I've got my fireplace artwork, my vignette. I'm going to turn the vignette over. Now I'm going to take this piece of card which I've already cut from the die set, and I'm going to fold over the end just slightly like so, and I'm going to place a little bit of red liner tape along there. I'm then going to place this onto the back of my vignette and press down just like so. Now I've got my everyday craft magnets. I've taken 2 from the box, and on either side I've placed a small little piece of red liner tape. I'm going to split the magnets in 2, and then I'm going to place one on one side of the back of here, and then the other on the other side like so, just so I can get them in exactly the right place. Now I'm going to remove the red liner tape from this magnet and press down this tab and hold it so it sticks, because I want the magnet to be on the back. Okay, so now I'm going to turn over the fireplace. I'm going to remove now this piece of red liner tape from the second magnet. I'm going to get my wreath. I'm going to place that on top and do exactly the same thing. Just press on it so that the magnet sticks to the back of the wreath. Great, so your magnets are now in the right place. Now take your fireplace, turn it over, and place some foam tape down either side like I've done, and along the bottom as a stopper. Now what I've actually done is I've placed 2 pieces of foam tape on top of each other to kind of really raise it up and make it around kind of 5mm. So it's really raised up from that card base so that that mechanism can work. Now you want to place your fireplace onto your card base and just push down like I'm doing here. We want to put Chris now into the fireplace, into the chimney. So you can put him this way with the wreath in place, or if you want, you can take the wreath off and then place him in from the top where you've not put foam tape along. You didn't put any foam tape there, see? Then just place your wreath onto the fireplace and there he is.